Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to trade stocks with Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, first make sure that you are in your Robinhood application and make sure that your account is eligible to start trading in stocks on Robinhood. So basically, you should have been completed your signing up and your identity verification. And simply after you link, you with deposit your money and you have enough funds to start trading, all you need to do is to go to the investing panel. And basically here in this toolbar, you will find your profile and some other investments and the crypto panel, and this is the investing panel or page or menu. So basically now all you need to do is to search for the stocks that you would like. So this is just some list that there is here. You can also create your own list. You can create a watch list if you want, or just click here and you can start continue and add filter all the stocks that you would like. So basically when you add the stocks that you would like, they will be added into your list. So now you will need just to choose the stock that you want to trade. You click on the stock, and after that, you will find or you will see this trade icon. And basically, as you can see here in this page, there are already all the statistics or all the stats and informations about the stock. So when you want to buy or sell, you will need just to click on trade, and three options will appear here. You will see the buy option, sell option, and trade options. So basically, if you want to buy the stock, you will need just to click on buy. If you want to sell, you will need to click on sell. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.